Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best tool for removing ingrown hairs, the Ingrown Hair Tweezers by Tweezes. If you've ever struggled with those stubborn ingrown hairs or pesky splinters, you know how frustrating it can be to find the right tool. That's where these precision tweezers come in, designed specifically to tackle delicate hair removal and splinter extraction with ease. These tweezers are crafted from ultra-precise stainless steel, manufactured in a facility that produces surgical instruments. This means you're getting professional-grade quality, with every pair made to the highest standards. The key feature that sets these tweezers apart is their pointed tip, which is extra sharp and perfectly aligned to grip even the smallest, most stubborn hairs. The tips are hand-sharpened, ensuring unmatched accuracy and control. Measuring just over 6 inches in length, these tweezers are lightweight yet sturdy, making them easy to handle for precise tasks. Their sleek black finish not only looks professional but also adds a comfortable grip for better control. Whether you're dealing with ingrown hairs on sensitive areas or removing tiny glass slivers and wood splinters, these tweezers are designed to perform without damaging the surrounding skin. Because they're made from surgical-grade stainless steel, they're corrosion-resistant and durable, promising long-lasting use without losing their sharpness or alignment. This durability means you won't have to worry about the tweezers bending or dulling after a few uses, which is common with lower-quality tools. These tweezers also make a perfect addition to any first aid kit. They're versatile enough to handle a variety of tasks beyond ingrown hairs, whether it's pulling out a splinter or managing delicate tasks where precision is key. One of the standout aspects of this product is the guarantee from Tweezes. They offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy with confidence knowing that your investment is protected. If you've been frustrated by tweezers that slip, bend, or just don't have the precision to get the job done right, the Tweezes Ingrown Hair Tweezers are a reliable solution. The sharpness, precision, and professional quality make these tweezers one of the best tools available on the market for ingrown hair treatment and delicate removal tasks. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a dependable, sharp, and precise pair of tweezers, this is the one to consider. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.